Hello all, now we'll discuss the remaining terms. So net attendance ratio. So what is the meaning of net attendance ratio? Total number of children of age group 6 to 10 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Meaning, if I consider 100 children within the age group of 6 to 10, if 90 children are attending the school, then the net attendance ratio is 90%. Am I clear? So net attendance ratio means total number of children of age group 6 to 10 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Okay, so this net attendance ratio indicates the enrollments of children in educational institutions. Okay, if this indicator shows more percentage, it indicates that more children are moving to the schools, right? Next, human development report. So human development report is released by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Okay, so this report gives ranking to the countries based on educational levels of the people, their health status, and per capita income. This is also called as HDI, Human Development Index. So Human Development Index indicates the ranking of the countries across the world regarding the human development. And human development under this index is measured on 3 parameters. One is education levels of the people or literacy rate, which includes the skill development, okay, and health status, which means life expectancy, and per capita income of the people. So per capita income will enhances the living standards. Okay, so these 3 parameters are used to measure the human development under this Human Development Index, which is given by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Okay. And next one is physical capital. So what is the meaning of physical capital? See, there are 2 things, physical capital and human capital. So physical capital and human capital are the 2 significant things which decide the fate of a country, the economic fate of a country. Okay, so physical capital includes 2 things, fixed capital and working capital. So fixed capitals means tools, machines, buildings, infrastructure, etc. So working capital means raw materials and money. So what is the need of this physical capital? So physical capital is used to produce the goods and services, right? So what is the purpose of goods and services? Goods and services should be produced for the livelihood of the people. So therefore, physical capital plays a main role in the welfare of a society, right? Then what is human capital? Human capital means having good education, good health and skills is called as a human capital. Okay, so India is the country with a huge population. India is a country with a huge population. Okay, if the population doesn't have enough skills, then the population will be a liability to the country. If the population have skills, then the population will be an asset to the country. So as a people of this nation, we should always be an asset to this country instead of being a liability, right? So human capital means when the population is given good education and good health and skills, then such population is called as human capital, right? So human capital enriches the country and improves the productivity, yes or no? So productivity is nothing but output per unit of input employed. So productivity will be high when the input is less and the output is more, right? We can produce more output from less input when we have highly skilled labor. When there are highly skilled labor, then the resources will be used efficiently, which in turn increases the productivity of a country. Am I clear? And of course, the productivity of a human capital depends on education, health standards, and skills acquired by the people. So therefore, physical capital and human capital decides the development of a country. If you take European countries and countries in North America, they have good physical capital as well as human capital. So that's why they are called as a developed countries. Am I clear? Right. So in the next video, I will discuss about goods and types of goods. Thank you.